So, Melia, I'm going to center this question around you.
All right.
So we've talked a lot about both men and women and focuses. And, being a woman myself, there's a lot of focus on men and men's sexual health and wellness and, men's ED and men's incontinence. And we don't really talk that much about women's. Why do you think that is?
So I think there's a lot of things going on without getting like super political or anything.
Oh, that's
like
okay.
That. But,
It's 2024.
Yeah, right. So I think in general, women haven't really been invited to the conversation in a lot of ways in healthcare. So for a long time, there weren't female healthcare providers. For so long, up until recently, most of the drug trials didn't include women. Women were not considered reliable historians. Like we would go to the doctor and the doctor would tell you what was going on. There wasn't a lot of listening. There wasn't a lot of room for conversations. So I think in general, the conversation was centered around men in a lot of ways. And so I think that's just why we haven't. I'm excited because I think now that conversation is opening up, and that's like one of our big goals at Redeem. And so hopefully we'll just continue to see changes and movement in the right direction.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's just a taboo subject.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Everyone's going through it. No one wants to talk about it though. But like once it's kind of brought up, they'll listen a little bit more. Even like if you're going out with your friends, this is how. So a lot of people are like, how can I help? Like get the word out about Redeem. And I'm like, you know what? I want you to, like, when you're at like a dinner with your friends, sit down and just be like, hey, listen, I heard about this place called Redeem and this is what they do. And then all of a sudden everyone's eyes perk up and they're like, well, what do you mean they do that? So it's everyone is going through it. They may not voice it, but there's always something, or they know someone, and they just like Melia said, our goal is to like make people comfortable with it, aware of it, and just come in and talk to us, and we'll just talk, and figure something out. So
You guys are here to help.
we're here to help.
Cool.
Yep.